Hello art lovers! Let's learn to draw an amazing surprise gift box easily. First, fold your drawing paper in half. Fold it again from the middle to the top. Here the paper is ready now. Let's draw the box first. The lower part of a box is a bit smaller than the upper part, we know. Now draw a ribbon in the middle of the box. Draw the ribbon knot on the top. Now I'm adding some shadows with pencil strokes to make it look better and realistic. Let's color it. Apply red color to the ribbon. Here I am using two shades of red color. One is darker and another one is light red. You can use only red here. Now applying sky blue color in the box. Here our gift box is ready now. It's time to draw the surprise inside the box. Here I will draw a 3-layer cake. To draw the cake easily, follow my steps. Here our cake is ready now. Place a candle on top of the cake. Now let's color it. Apply red or orange color in candlelight and make the candle blue. Now apply your favorite colors to make the cake colorful. Now put some colorful toppings on the white part like this. Here is our surprise gift inside the box. Let's add balloons to both sides of the cake. Applying red color here. The white part is reflection of lights, which will make it more realistic. And here we go. Our surprise gift is done. This is going to be a great birthday gift or New Year gift which will impress everyone and which will represent your amazing drawing skill. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.